Hello, good morning. This is teacher Jacob, and today we're gonna have a speaking class. And this speaking class it's gonna be for eighth grade. So today we're gonna have class for you for eighth grade, and this is a very simple exercise. We're gonna do like a listening and speak, or more than it's just like a listen, a speak, and you have to memorize 15 questions for the next class. So I'm going to say 15 questions for you, and you are going to repeat. In your case, as just 5 times, okay? Because your English is not complicated, so I give you five times. So I repeat one question, and in your house, you practice 5 times. So, of course, you can study anytime you want to, because the idea is the next week you're going to say the questions for me. So you're going to ask questions for me. You're going to say questions, right? So that's what I need you to do it. Okay. So pay attention to that. Okay. So let's do it. Let's go. So come on, let's go. And let's go now. It's going to be for eighth grade. So let's go up here. Here, what is going on here? Yeah, it's here. So something is happening here. Yeah, right. So these are the questions that I need you memorize. I mean, you say me next week. So these questions are very simple for you. So these questions are from the airport. So I need is you listen and then repeat 5 times. Remember, the idea is to repeat 5 times, nothing else. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking that you, or yeah, I just want us you listen and repeat 5 times. So let's go number one. Number one is, may I see your passport? So repeat very slow. So remember, one, and you repeat 5 times. Okay, ready? May I see your passport? Very simple. May I see your passport? So you repeat, may I see your passport? 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 Okay, 5 times. That's all. So you need to memorize how is the pronunciation, and also you need to ask me. Remember, you can't read. It's just say like talking to me. So this is an example. May I see your passport, please? That's all. May I see your passport? Good. Now, let's go to question two. Question two is similar, but now it's a little different. Can I have your passport? Remember, this is similar like one. Can I have your passport? So when you are at the airport, can I have your passport, please? Can I have your passport? And then you show your passport and your visa and questions like that. So your question two is similar. Can I have your passport? You see, it's not difficult for you. After checking your passport, someone is say, what's your last name? So what's, remember here, there are two options in this case. You can say what's, or you can say what is. So what is your last name? So what is your last name? So excuse me, what is your last name? So you are with the passport. Excuse me, what is your last name? And then you say your last name. Okay. Four, very simple questions. Where are you from? Very simple. Where are you from? It's simple. Where are you from? So where are you from? So where are you from? So and then you say, I'm from wherever. Okay. Where are you from? Okay. Very good. Notice this. This question is similar to the question one and two. Okay. So you need to say, may I see your ticket, please? May I see your ticket? Oh, please. May I see your ticket, please? Or when you are when you are on the road, say, may I see your ticket, please? May I see your ticket? The ticket where you bought for traveling. So may I see your ticket? May I see your ticket, please? So may I see your ticket? And that's five. Six. As where are you flying today? So where are you flying today? So remember, you have to say, where are you flying today? Excuse me, where are you flying today? And then you answer, I'm going to somewhere. Where are you going to fly? Where are you going to fly today? 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 So where are you going? Okay, that's good. Very simple. This seven is, I forgot, this is the same question as number one and two. May I please see your passport? May I please see your passport? So show me your passport. May I see, may I please see your passport? May I please see your passport? Of course, it's possible to say please, this word please, please, it's possible to say this word at the end. So you can say, may I see your passport? And then you can say, please, may I see your passport, please? But here is a little different, but it's possible too. I mean, this is like something useful when you are at the airport. So may I please see your passport, please? Uh, I mean, may I please see your passport? Or may I see your passport? And then you say, please. So this is like a very informal way because, in other words, this please must be here, but it's possible too. So that's why I say, may I please see your passport? Or may I see your passport, please? May I see your passport, please? So this at the end here, both are similar. I mean, you can write here too if you want. I mean, this is no mandatory. I mean, this option, this option, it's possible. It's possible. Yes, please. It's possible to write, and let me write with a red color. Yeah, red color this. Yeah. So this, please, may I see your passport? And then you write please. Or the second option is, may I please see your passport? Okay, both are same. So number eight, will you be checking any luggage? Will you be checking any luggage? Will you be checking any luggage? So when you are, at the same, you're at the airport and then you have luggage. So will you be checking any luggage? I mean, you somebody, checking, look in your luggage or something like that. So will you be checking any luggage? I mean, you are going to register some luggage. So yeah, I got two, or I got one luggage. It's big, small, or whatever. Okay. So will you be checking any luggage? So and then you say yes or not. Or yes, I will. I mean, you have one or two options to explain that. All right, nine. Do you have, notice this, do you have any carry-ons? Do you have any carry-ons? It's very simple question, but it's useful. So do you have any carry-ons? It means if you have in your hands, you have, for example, your suitcase, and you're using your perhaps your hand bag is possible too. So, do you have any carry-ons? So you say yes or not. Do you have any carry-ons? 10. Do you want, notice this, do you want a window seat? Do you want a window seat, or an aisle seat? Notice here, in this case, you don't pronounce this. It's like a decoration. So, do you want a window seat or an aisle seat? Aisle seat, I mean alone, alone. Oh, okay. Oh, not alone, near to the hole, the hole. So, do you want a window seat or an aisle seat? And then you say yes or not. 11. Where is the ticket office? You know, where is, and then you're making contractions. Where's the ticket office? Where's the ticket office? So where's the ticket office? Where's the ticket office? In other, this here is one word, words. The ticket office. Good. 12. Can I buy a ticket here? So you are in an office and you say, can I buy a ticket here? You are not in a travel agency. You are at the airport. So you say, can I buy a ticket here? And that's all, nothing else. So can I buy a ticket here? And you say yes or not. All right. So can I buy a ticket here? Notice this. Can I buy a ticket here? And then you say yes or not. All right. Good. Very good. Can I buy a ticket here? And 13, question 13 is, are there any direct flights to New York? So, are there, notice this, are there any direct flights to New York? So you need to say very quickly. So, are there any direct flights to New York? So are there any direct flights to New York? So repeat question. Are there any direct flights to New York? Are there any direct flights to New York? And then you say yes or not. Oh, yes. Oh, there is one. Oh, it's possible plural. Yes, there are six direct flights to New York. So it depends on the answer. 14. When does the flight to New York leave? Yes, so what time? So when does the flight to New York leave? So what time, when does the flight to, or is possible the date? Is possible on Monday, on Tuesday? It depends. Okay, so here could be the answer different. So, uh, in this case, it's possible to say different. So when does the flight to New York leave? Leave. So when does the flight to New York leave? Excuse me. When does the flight to New York leave? And say, well, I live in one next week or tomorrow. Okay. And finally, how much is a ticket to Hollywood? Okay. And that's all. Nothing else. How much? How much is a ticket to Hollywood? Hollywood. So how much is for a ticket to Hollywood? And that's all. And that is the class. I mean, you need to memorize the questions and then you have to say the questions and nothing else. Okay? So I hope so you understood what is it and how you can pronounce. So how much is a ticket to Hollywood? And that's all. 15 questions, nothing else. For you is very simple. So study remember and memorize